Hello, and welcome to my Cleansing Guided Breathwork video. Breathwork is a very powerful tool available to us all at any time. We'll be focusing on a cleansing breath today. A cleansing breath is just extending the exhale twice as long as your inhale. You'll take in as much air as is comfortable for you and really focusing on fully emptying your lungs on the exhale. You can do this standing or seated, and your eyes can be open or closed. Whatever you prefer is perfectly fine for this. We'll start with the 2-4 breath count. Breathe in through your nose for 2 and out through your mouth for 4. Again, in through your nose for 2 and out through your mouth for 4. And again, in through your nose for 2 and out through your mouth for 4. Wonderful. This time we'll try a 3-6 breath count. In through your nose for 3 and out through your mouth for 6. Again, in through your nose for 3 and out through your mouth for 6. And another time, in through your nose for 3 and out through your mouth for 6. Great job. Now we'll try a 4-8 breath count. If it sounds like too much, I'd encourage you to give it a try anyway. You'll likely pleasantly surprise yourself. In through your nose for 4 and out through your mouth for 8. Again, in through your nose for 4 and out through your mouth for 8. And for the last time, in through your nose for 4 and out through your mouth for 8. If you'd like to continue this breath work for a few more minutes, start my video all over again. I'm very curious to know, which count did you like the best today? Please let me know in the comments. We often take the act of breathing for granted. Everything goes back to the breath. It's the first thing that we do when we come into this world, and it's the last thing that we'll do when we leave it. When you feel stressed or frustrated and practice breath work, you learn to control your breath in that moment, and therefore you greatly reduce your body's overall stress response. By taking just a few minutes a day to focus on your breath, you'll experience many physical and mental health benefits. I often recommend to my clients that have frequent stress or frustration to set a goal of 4 to 5 cleansing breath sessions lasting for 1 to 2 minutes each time throughout the day. If it helps to have a guide during your breath work, please return to this video as often as you'd like. Thank you for taking some time to breathe with me today. If you'd like to experience one of my guided meditations, please click on the title on the screen that you are most drawn to. If you found this to be helpful to you, please click the like button. As always, keep shining your beautiful light.